Hello, grade one. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Last week we talked about animal structures. Today we will learn more about functions of animal structures. Are you ready, grade one? Let's start it. What do we have here? This tiger is running. It's so fast. It's moving. What do you think, grade one? Which part of the tiger help it to move? What do you think? Are they legs? Their eyes? Its mouth? Or what? What do you think? Of course, its legs, as you see. This tiger can run and can move because it has strong legs. How many legs does this tiger have? It has 4 legs. Interesting. Now let's solve this question. Which student has the best idea about the function of the animal parts? Let's see Roosevelt. Roosevelt says that I think the tiger uses his legs for running. Is this true or false? Yes, it's true. Excellent, grade one. As you see, this tiger can run with its legs. Let's see Steve. I think the tiger has sharp teeth. That's right, but Steve didn't talk anything about the function of the sharp teeth. So this is not the best idea about the function of the animal parts. Let's see Tony. I think the tiger has soft fur. That's true, but what's the function of the fur? He didn't say anything about that. So it's not the best idea about the function of the animal parts. So Roosevelt has the best idea about the function of the animal parts. He thinks the tiger uses his legs for running. That's right. The function of the tiger's legs is movement. So please, grade one, be sure to circle this one for Roosevelt and write the answer here. This is for page number 21. Let's see the next page. What do we have here? It's a cute bird. This bird is called hummingbird. Repeat with me, grade one. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Look at its wings. The wings of hummingbird look blurry. Why do you think that, grade one? They are look blurry. We cannot see them properly. For this one and the same for this one. They are so blurry. Why do you think that, grade one? Before that, try to answer me, grade one. What's the function of the wings of hummingbird? It uses them to fly, to move. So the function is movement. But they are move so quickly. So they look blurry, just like this. Because they are so quickly, they look blurry. Let's see in your book. We have a question here. As you see, what do you observe in that picture? We observe that the wings look blurry because they move so quickly. Some birds use their wings to fly. That's it. So please, grade one, open your book, page number 23, and write this answer here. Go ahead. Let's see the next page. We have an inquiry activity here. Animals move. Let's talk about a horse and fish. Let's start with the horse. What do you think in grade one? How does the horse use its structures to move? What do you think? Again, horse uses its legs to move, just as you see. But what about the fish? Does the fish have legs? No, it does not have. but it has fins. These fins help the fish to move in the water. Interesting. So let's summarize everything in grade 1. Fish use their fins to move. Horses use their legs to move. Lead grade 1. Be sure to write this answer in your book. Let's see the next page. This is the horse and this is the fish. Interesting. These are the fins of the fish and these are the legs of the horse. Let's see the next page, page number 25. We have a table here. Let's talk more about the animals. We can here talk about the fish or a horse. Choose one. For me, I choose fish. How the animal moves, how the animal moves, how the fish moves. A fish uses its fins to move. Let's see question number 4. Did what you learn match your claim? Of course, yes. Let's see the last question. Explain how animals can use their eyes to help them move. What do you think? Of course, many animals use their eyes to see where they are going, just as you and as me. Everybody needs their eyes to see where they are going. That's right. So animals also use their eyes to see where they are going. Interesting. Let's see the next page, page number 26. This is a cute turtle. It's a reptile. You know that, grade 1. The turtle is a reptile. It can crawl on its belly. But let's see, grade 1. What can you see here? What's the structure of the turtle? It's called a hard shell, just like armadillo. Armadillo also has a hard shell. Turtle and armadillo have a hard shell. Why do you think that, grade 1? Why do these animals have a hard shell? They use it to protect themselves. Armadillo uses the hard shell to protect itself. The same for the turtle. The turtle uses it to protect itself. Let's see what's the meaning of protection. Protection keeps things from harm. That's right. So nobody can harm this animal. Interesting. Let's see the next page, page number 30. This animal is called a bear. It's a very big bear. Let's see this structure in this bear. What's this, grade 1? It has long claws. They are very long. So what do you think, grade 1? Why do this bear have long claws? What do you think? Bears use their claws to get food. Interesting. Bears use their claws to get food. Let's see another one. It's a crab. This crab also has claws. Why do you think that? Can you see this fish, grade 1? It's a fish. This crab gets this fish using its claws. Interesting. So, just as bears, crabs also use their claws to get food. Interesting. Let's see another one. You know this animal. It's a frog. What do you think in grade 1? Which structure do you think the frog used to get food? What do you think? As you see, this frog uses its long tongue to get food. It's very long. Interesting. So frogs use their tongues to get food. Let's see another one. It's a woodpecker. Interesting. What do you think about the woodpecker, grade 1? Which structures do you think the woodpecker used to get food? Look at this structure. It's a beak. Why do you think that woodpecker has a beak? Yes, of course, to get food. Excellent, grade 1. Now let's summarize everything in grade 1. So please open your book, page number 30. As we see, bears and crabs use their claws. Frogs use their tongues and woodpeckers use their beaks to get food. Interesting. Please, grade 1, be sure to write this answer in your book. It's time to draw grade 1. You can draw here a bear and a frog. And here we can talk more about the animal. For the bear uses its long straight claws to get food. And the frog uses its long tongue to get food. Interesting. Please, grade 1, be sure to write this answer in your book. Page number 31. Let's see the next page. Now, as we see grade 1, the hummingbird has 2 wings and it uses them to fly, to move quickly. Now, the big question is, why does the hummingbird need to move quickly? As you see, it does not have claws. It does not have a hard shell to protect itself. So, how does this bird protect itself? What do you think? It can move so quickly. So, there is nobody, no animal can catch this bird. It uses its wings to move quickly and to protect itself. Interesting. Let's summarize everything in grade 1. The hummingbird's wings move quickly, so they look blurry. Hummingbirds move quickly to protect themselves from danger. Interesting. Let's see the last page. Page number 33. This animal's called porcupine. Repeat with me, grade 1, please. Porcupine. Porcupine. What do you think in grade 1? Which structure does porcupine use to protect itself? What do you think? What can you see here, grade 1? They are look like sharp quills. Sharp quills. If someone tries to touch these sharp quills, they will hurt themselves. So what do you think in grade 1? Why does this porcupine have sharp quills? It have sharp quills to protect itself again. So there is no one can easily catch this porcupine. Now let's answer the question. Porcupines are covered in sharp quills. Here they are. The same here. Based on what you know, tick the box that is correct. Let's see. The quills are a structure that keeps the porcupine safe. What do you think? Is this true or false? Of course, that's right. These quills keeps the porcupine safe. Let's see the next statement. The quills do not help protect the porcupine. No, it helps. So the second statement is not true, but the first one is true. So take the first statement, grade 1, please. Let's see this animal. You know this one. It's a rabbit. Look at these ears for the rabbit. They are so large. Why do you think that, grade 1? So large and so long. Why do you think that? Just as a human, rabbit uses its ears to hear. But for the rabbit, its ears are so long, so large to hear more. And that's help the rabbit to know when danger is near. So the rabbit can run away and keep from the danger. Interesting. So let's read question number 2. Why does this animal have such large ears? Let's see statement number A or letter A. The ears help this animal eat its food. Is this true or not? Of course not. The rabbit uses its mouth to eat. Let's see B. The ears help this animal move it from place to place. Is it true or false? Of course, no. It uses its legs. So it's not correct. Let's see the last one. The ears help this animal hear when danger is near. That's right. Interesting. So the last statement is the true statement. So circle it. So please, grade 1, be sure to write the correct answer on this page, page number 33. That's enough for today, grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.